how to create tags in ActiveCampaign account. To learn how, follow the steps. Open up a preferred web browser to get started. Now in the search box, search for ActiveCampaign.com and press enter. Log into your ActiveCampaign account like you normally do. Click the login link at the top right and then enter your credentials in the text boxes and click login. After you are logged into your account, navigate to the Contacts tab on the left-hand side menu. Give it a click and then you'll be able to open up Contacts tab. From the left-hand side menu, under the Contacts tab, click on Tags. You'll be able to see all of the existing tags on this page. From here, you can manage your existing tags. To create a new tag, in the box displayed on the left-hand side, enter the tag details. You can enter the details for the new tag, for example, the tag's name, the tag's type, and so on. Each tag you add should be separated by a comma. After you are done entering the tag, click on Add Tag and you'll be able to add tags or create a tag in ActiveCampaign. You can also go ahead and edit the tags that you've just created. Click the Edit tab right next to the tag and then you can change the name, add a description for your tag and click on the Save button. Now that you've created and edited your tag, you can start applying it to your contacts or deals. Go back to the Contacts tab and find an individual contact. Select the contact by clicking on the circle in front of their name and click on the Edit button. Here, you can add tags manually by clicking on Add a Tag, enter the tag's name and click Add. You can add more tags for the particular individual and finally click the Apply button in order to apply the tag to contacts or deals. And that is it. You've successfully created a new tag in ActiveCampaign and also learned how to apply it to a contact or deal manually. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.